Hey guys, welcome to my channel. In this video, we will delete layers. If you've been drafting for a while, then at some point, most of us have come across those hard to delete layers. Here we have the Layer Properties Manager dialog box already open, and we have several layers listed. The delete layer icon is this one right here. We cannot delete layer 0 and we cannot delete the current layer. So let's try to delete this blue circle layer here. Oops, it says the selected layer was not deleted. The following layers cannot be deleted. Layers 0 and depth point, the current layer, layers containing objects, and XREF dependent layers. Okay, well, the reason this wasn't deleted, the blue circle was deleted, is because we have an object associated with this layer. Okay, let's do a quick test. Let's create a new layer really quickly. And we're going to name it test. Okay, let's see if we can delete this layer here. No problem. The layer test has no objects associated with it, and it was not the current layer, so that was pretty much no problem. Okay, but now let's try to make it active. See what happens then. Okay, same message, cannot be deleted. And in this instance, it's because it's the current layer. Okay, so let's make 0 the current layer again, and let's get rid of this test layer. Okay, so now I'm sure that's not why you're here. You're probably here watching this video because you want to delete those hard to delete layers. And to do that, you would come to the command line and type laydel for layer delete. Here you have the option to select this object. Enter. Do you wish to continue? Yes, I do. Pay attention to the list here, red circle. So I'm going to click on yes. Notice that yellow or that red circle layer was just deleted, including the objects. Okay, so what if you have a block now, okay? What if we have a layer within a block? That is our situation here. So if we select this object, block editor, let's get rid of this here. We select the circle. You'll notice that it is on the layer called yellow circle. Now let's try to delete that object and see what we get. This time, instead of selecting, we're going to click the name just to see how that looks. Okay, so here we have listed all of the layers that we are able to delete. Okay, let's select the yellow circle. This is what we want to see deleted. You are about to delete layer yellow circle, which is referenced in blocks. All objects on this layer will be deleted and the reference blocks will be redefined. Do you wish to continue? I sure do. Well, there you have it. The circle was deleted, which is a block. Also, the yellow circle layer has been deleted. And there you have it, folks. Thank you for watching. Please like and subscribe.